Hi viewers, thank you for watching Ravi's iView, my YouTube channel. I sincerely appreciate your time. If you like my videos, like them, share them, and do subscribe to my channel. Now, post-pandemic has created a new normal. The new normal has impacted many industries across the globe, and IT is no different. Now, in my opinion, that I would divide information technology as a business into three broad segments. Now, segment one, I would like to define that as access devices, or normally people call them as end user computing devices, networking components, storage devices, etc. etc. So I would call them as access devices. Second category, I would broadly like to term that as a cloud and computing power. Now, both are becoming enormous in size across the globe. The third, I would like to define that as an application. Now, application is business critical. Therefore, more and more enterprises across the globe will be adapting to that. Now, let's address each one of them in detail. Now, when I talk about access devices, the more and more devices or the manufacturers of the devices are making them quite robust. Therefore, the point of failure for access devices has become next to none, which is a fact. Unfortunately or fortunately, even access devices started behaving like an intelligent machines, and I'll come to that in the later part of my conversation. But when we talk about a cloud and computing, the cloud is becoming the end thing for many enterprises across the globe. The reason being that more and more people started depending and trusting cloud, which was not prevalent earlier. Now, application, when I talk about application, precisely applications or off-the-shelf products made available for many people, those who have created them. It could be a generic ERP to anything which you can talk about, but application is there to stay. Now, access devices have moved from primary cities to secondary cities to tier 2 cities in India now. The reason being is more and more people have started working from home. Now, working from home has become more and more productive and less cost incurring, therefore efficiency level at the same time saving cost for the enterprise is becoming one of the most important element at this point in time. Now, this has also caused a concern for many enterprises. When we talk about access, when we talk about cloud and computing, when we talk about application, the overlay principle which is connecting all three of them is the data or the availability of internet anywhere and everywhere. Now, availability of a data or connectivity anywhere and everywhere in the globe is also becoming the most easiest thing, and there is an immense power. The immense computing power is quadrupling every day on account of devices which have become enabled through connectivity. Therefore, the internet is creating a tremendous amount of impact on the post-pandemic era, which is the new normal. But the more and more access points are given to more and more people accessing the information pertaining to an enterprise from remote locations, while VPN and other technology or age-old technology is still available with us. The point of concern for many enterprises today seems to be the security. Security is the biggest growth area which many enterprises will have to make an investment. Providers will have to make note of it, and more security products will emerge in the market without any doubt. Now, the underlying principle of connecting the access points, creating a robust cloud and connected technology for computing, and using application efficiently, each one of them are layered with a different technology, creating boundaries between one product to another product, one access point to another access point by the manufacturers or the creators. Now, who comes in the forefront in terms of solving the problems what the customers or the enterprise across the globe will face in general? They are the system integrators and the services provider. Now, technology is fast emerging and technology is fast changing. Similarly, the system integrators and the services provider are emerging as a messiah of the masses, specifically in enterprises, dealing with the concern of security, enabling productivity, and touching the most important business critical applications, or becoming the work of the services provider as well as the system integrators. So my take on this is as simple as this. The business is going to get quadrupled. Threats are going to increase in number. more and more robust systems need to be put in place, and you require a strong player who can connect all the three dots, creating a compelling value to the enterprises across India and the globe. It's a summary. There'll be multiple parts. I'll be discussing these three line of the technology division which I spoke about, and watch out for the part 2 very soon. Thank you very much. Signing off from you, Ravi Venkatraman. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, Ravi's Eye View. If you like them, share them and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.